I can hear a sound in here. It's a bit dark, but I can hear the sound. Just see it there. There it is. But I'd love to know what it is. It's just in here. Yeah. I can hear that. Come away from here, because you can't see what that sound is, but you can definitely hear it. Right, both lad and lass here. Oh no, I'm going to have to hang up because over there's a dog. Yeah, a Jack Russell, and Horace and Sheep have seen it, so I'm going to have to go. Toodaloo for now.